Hi guys, I thought we could do something fun today with bubbles. So we're gonna make bubble snakes. So I have two pieces of paper towel that are already like pretty wet, but like not wrung out or anything, but they're just stacked on top of each other. And then you take a little bit of dish soap and let's see, put it so you can guys see it a little bit. Put just a little bit of dish soap, like a drop, and you want to kind of rub it in like a circle and rub it in. And then, this is the silly part, but your kids are probably going to love it. The kids always freak out and get excited when I do this in the classroom. Ready? And then you put it on your mouth, kind of like this. This might be a grown-up activity. Be careful to monitor the soap and getting in the mouth and whatnot, but at least it'll be fun. So you put it on your mouth, and then you blow as hard as you can. So let's see what happens. And there's our bubble snake. The noise is pretty funny too. So I hope you guys have fun with it.